Hi there, Julia here to show you how to submit your hours using the Trusted Timecard app. When you open the app, you'll see your current assignment at the top. Tap it to open your digital time card. Here you'll be able to see any hours you've submitted so far, as well as your time card due date, so you'll never have to wonder when your time is due. You can add your hours by tapping the Add Shift button. You can add shifts one day at a time, or tap multiple days to add all your shifts at the end of the week. When you choose a day, you'll start by selecting the types of hours you worked that shift. Next, you'll add the clock in and clock out times you worked for your hour type. You can even specify how long you took a lunch break, or tap Skipped Lunch if you had to work through it. If you need to add another hour type to this same shift, you can tap this button below. When you're done with this shift, tap the Save button. This takes you back to your assignment view, where you now see the hours you've added to this shift. If your assignment also requires you to upload anything, like a photo of your paper time card, you can do so by tapping the paperclip icon. When you're ready to submit your time card, tap the Submit button to review your hours. Before you submit your hours, you'll have a chance to take a peek at your time card and ensure everything looks good to go. Here you'll be able to see your time broken down by both shift and hour type. Once you hit Submit, you can't make any changes to your time card, so make sure to double check all the details. When everything looks right, tap Submit to send those hours in.